Update you on Tropical Storm Nate out over the open water now. It's probably going to clip the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, if not stay just to the east of there, and then actually stay as a tropical storm through Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon and evening, though, we expect it to develop into at least nearby to a Category 1 hurricane, 80 miles per hour there. And then the latest information actually has shifted the track a little farther to the east. That would be better news for New Orleans because the eastern side of a hurricane or a tropical storm is typically the strongest side. You get the worst of the storm surge and the winds and the rain as well. So that would put New Orleans on the western side of the storm, which would be better there. But of course, it means that other areas would be more impacted. Places like Mississippi, Alabama, even the northwest portion of Florida could get this a little bit as well here as we head into late Saturday night is when you'd start feeling the effects there, and then into Sunday morning. Then it would weaken to a tropical storm as it makes landfall, and then as we head into Monday, it weakens to almost just a rain system here as it heads toward the northeast and brings us rain on Monday. But there are hurricane warnings now for much of the Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama coastline. Tropical storm warnings for portions of Louisiana as well. We'll keep an eye on the system as we go through the weekend. Of course, it will eventually have impacts for us, but nothing serious, just some much needed rain we expect on Monday.